In this second video to section 3.4, we are going to touch upon permutations and combinations. Now, in this class, you will be able to use your calculator to perform these operations. However, I'm going to show you what they mean here first. In order to calculate probabilities, sometimes you need to know the number of ways an event might happen. If the order matters, that means we're going to use a permutation, and we use the letter P for permutation. And what this means here is the number of permutations choosing n objects in a certain order can be written like this. You may have never seen this exclamation point here. Let me give you an example. If 5 people are in an Olympic race, find the number of ways the medal winners can occur. Gold, silver, bronze. Now, does order matter here? Yes, it does. Gold is different from silver from bronze. So we have our total number here, which is 5 factorial. And then in the denominator, we're going to subtract 3. We're choosing 3. Gold, silver, and bronze. A permutation of 5, choose 3. Now, what does this factorial mean? 5 factorial. We have it written right here. Over 2 factorial. And we can go ahead and solve the problem. Now, if order does not matter, like it did in example 5, instead of using a permutation, we're going to use what's called a combination. For instance, if we look at the following example, if the math department has 7 teachers and 2 get to attend a conference in St. Louis, list the number of combinations of people that could attend. Now in this case, order doesn't matter. So we're going to use 7, choose 2, using a combination. And it's going to look like this. And once again, we'll use our factorials. We'll go ahead and simplify, and we will solve. I have some brief directions down here on how to do permutations and combinations in your calculator. And that's the end of the second video for section 3.4.